Hey guys, it is Ray with Spray Wash Academy. I hope everyone is doing well out there in YouTube land today. Let me adjust my microphone here and we'll get stuff started. Real quick video, not being on here for a long time today. Just wanted to tell everybody about the 2020 cleaning industry survey. It's now out, it's published, and a report's waiting for you. Let me share the screen here to show you what we got. The 2020 industry survey, something we've done here at Spray Wash Academy for the last few years. We go out and we talk to professional members of the washing community and do a survey and talk about their businesses. Good pertinent information, that could help you in your business. And we've got a copy of this waiting for you free. All you have to do is hit that link over to JotForm and a copy will be mailed to you. Some of the things that, we discuss in here, are you full-time? Are you part-time? How many hours a week do you devote to your business? On this graphic, it shows if you're a full-time cleaner that most guys are a full 72% are going at more than 45 hours a week on their business. We've got the average age of cleaners on there. What geographic area are you in? Real important question we found out this year compared to 2019, my 2020 production was, and then we asked the question. So 33% and 33%, so 66% of respondents said it was higher than 2019. So we found that a lot of folks didn't really get impacted by COVID that much, but that was also depending on what part of the market segment you were attacking, because there were plenty of interior commercial window and hood cleaners that did get hurt because restaurants were shut down in so many different markets. Other information we have, health insurance. How many rigs does the average company operate? We find that half the people there are with one rig, 25% have two rigs, and there's companies even answering. So 52% of people have one rig, 48% of companies have multiple rigs out there on the road. When did you hire your employees? Do you have workers' comp insurance? What kind of insurance do you have? What's the limits of your general liability? I think that's very, very surprising what a lot of people see on there when you realize just how much insurance a lot of folks have on there. Limits of general liability, 39% of people had at least $1 million. 49% of people had $2 million and above, and 8% had more than $3 million in insurance coverage for their general liability, which is, I'm really proud of this industry for stepping up and doing that. Other information, are you residential? Are you commercial? We discuss, income, what we made, what professional groups are you affiliated with? What was your revenue in the second full year of business? What was your cleaning revenue in 2019? So a lot of good information that can show you where a lot of professional companies are in their business. Another great graphic here. What best describes your equipment? Is it a truck and trailer? Are they skid units? Are they box trucks? Are they flatbeds? Are they just portable units? At only 4% of the companies saying they have only portable units. I think it's quick to realize that, well, gosh, these more professional companies, they're really, going with a larger, more permanent type setup. But again, the information is here. We make it available to you because really we just want to see everybody succeed and prosper and run really professional companies here in the pressure washing and exterior cleaning industry. This is such a great industry to be in part of. I'm proud to be a part of it. I'm proud to have a school. I'm proud to have a successful washing company. And me and my teaching partners really just want you guys to be professional and have just wildly successful companies as well. So again, hit that link, look down in the descriptions. There's a JotForm link. Love to have you take a look at the survey. It'll be emailed to you. And also, while you're at it, subscribe to Spray Wash Academy. We've got hundreds of videos out there to help you with the information that you need in your business. Plus, we have online training, online teaching about how to clean roofs, plant and property protection, getting government business sales. Those are all available at Spray Wash Academy. So be happy to help you with any kind of training you need there too. This is Ray with Spray Wash. Thank you so much. Remember, thumbs up, like, subscribe. We appreciate your business, and get your copy of the 2020 Cleaning Industry Survey.